Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Fourth HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Fourth HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in secure.fourth.com and make a search. You'll end up on the login page of Fourth HR's account. Enter your username and password associated with your Fourth HR's account and tap on sign in. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says forgotten username or forgotten password option. This is how you can log into your Fourth HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.